Hi everyone, I am Aziroh Abdul Aziz. I am a student master in education management from University Utara Malaysia. Today I would like to present about the empowering teachers through principles and emotional intelligence, unlocking the potential of organizational citizenship between behavior in Taiwan Elementary School by Chuang Chung Hee, Hu Chang Li, Zhong Kang Liang, Ying Chang Yu, 2023. For introduction, emotional intelligence crucial for effective leadership influences organizational outcome, particularly in educational setting. While studies have explored AI impact on its instructional strategies and curriculum, gap remain regarding its influence on teachers' proactive behavior. Organizational citizenship behavior essential for organizational success thrives on trust and cooperation fostered by leaders. Principles AI, seen as the social resource, potentially enhances teachers' perception on organizational trust, promoting OCB. This study investigates whether perceived high AI in principal foster OT, thereby encouraging teachers OCB, utilizing conservation of resources theory. It explores how AI imitates positive organizational behavior, contributing to educational management strategies. Literature review. The conservation of resources theory posits that individuals actively acquired, retain the utilized resources, foster gain spiral where initial gains lead to the further accumulation. In educational setting, elementary school teachers provide pivotal in foundational education required resources to sustain proactive behavior. Perceived emotional intelligence of principle influences organizational citizenship behavior among teachers by enhancing organizational trust. Previous studies show that AI fosters OT, which in turn promotes OCB. Teachers' trust in organization correlates positively in OCB, affirming the role of OT as a mediator. This study proposed a hypothesis regarding the positive impact of the principal EI on teachers OT and OCB aligned with the COR theory, suggesting that OT mediates the relationship between principal EI and teachers OCB. The problem statement is the organizational citizenship behavior of teacher plays a pivotal role in school effective with principal emotional intelligence and teachers organizational trust influencing OCB. However, the specific mechanism through with principal EI impact teachers OCB with OT in elementary school in Taiwan remain as unexplored. This study aims to investigate this relationship, proposing a mediating model to enhance educational leadership strategies. Theoretical framework. The theoretical framework of this thesis centers of organizational citizenship behavior and the conservation of resources theory applied to educational leadership. OCB crucial for school functioning is influenced by the principal emotional intelligence, access to the interpersonal and the organizational citizenship performance. COR theory explain how teacher accumulate resources, emphasizing I roles in fostering organizational trust and proactive behavior. Methodologically, a survey of 521 elementary school teachers in Taiwan measured EI dimension and OT facets, employing mediation analysis to confirm that EI enhances OT, thereby promoting OCB. They This finding underscore AI significance in educational leadership, suggesting a venue to enhance school culture and teachers' well-being through effective resource management. There are three objectives here. The first objective is to assess the impact of principal AI, determine how principal's AI influences teacher perceptions of OT and OCB. And the second one, the second objective is to explore the role of the OT as a mediator, investigate whether OT mediates the relationship between principals, AI, and teachers OCB. And the third one is to provide practical recommendation. Propose strategies for enhancing educational leadership through AI development among principals, aiming to promote a positive school culture and improve teacher engagement performance. Variables, independent variables is independence, which is principles AI, emotional intelligence, and dependence variable is teachers' perception of OT, organizational trust, teachers' OCB, organizational citizenship behavior. The hypotheses are based on the conservation of resources or COR theory, emphasizing the role of resources acquisition and adaptation in shaping behaviors among the educators in educational setting. For H1, perceived emotional intelligence AI of principle positively influence teachers' organization's leadership behavior. H2, principles AI positively impact teachers' organization trust. H3, teachers' organization trust positively influences their organization citizenship behavior. And H4, teachers OT mediates the positive relationship between perceived principle AI and teachers OCB. Okay, the methodology, it's use quantitative method. The questionnaire consists of 30 items rated on the 5-point Likert scale used to assess respondents' perceptions. Okay, the sample, there is 521 respondents, which is 156 were male and 365 were female, closely reflecting the gender contributing among the elementary school teachers in Taiwan. Okay, if you can see here, okay, this is the terms that using for the sample. Regarding to school size, 234 responded taught in school is fewer than 12 classes. And then in school, with 13 to 36 classes and 140 in schools with more than 37 classes. Okay, next is a analysis technique. There is 5 analysis technique. Number 1 is software use. Statistical calculation performed using IBM SPSS 2003. Process macro developed by the Hires 2013 for mediation analysis. And then number 2, confirmatory factor analysis, used in the first step to assess the goodness of fit of the each latent variable principal AI. Teachers OT and teachers OCB measured through multiple indicators in terms of the questionnaire. And then the bootstrapping, bias correction bootstrapping, with a 95% confidence intervals was employed to test indicates indirect effect in the mediation models. Bootstrapping in the is a robust method of assessing the significance of the direct effect in the mediation analysis, especially useful when the data did not meet the assumption of normally. And then the regression analysis applied in the second step to examine causal relationship among the talent variables. This analysis likely explored how principals AI predict teachers OT, and subsequently how teachers OT influence teachers OCB. And the last one, mediation analysis. Specifically, mediation analysis was conducted to investigate the direct relationship between the principal AI and the teachers OCB to the teachers OT. This analysis forward by the 2013 mediation model, which is widely used to explore the mediating effect of the intermediate variable. Okay, this is a results commentary factor analysis. Okay, the study confirm good reliable to the skill used with Cronbench values exceeding 0.9 for all dependent variables. Okay, as we can see here. And then the hypothesis testing. Okay, this is the result. The hypothesis principle, AI has a significant and positive impact on the teachers OCB. Perceived teachers AI significantly predict teachers OT. For history, teachers OT significantly influence their OCB, and teachers OT mediates the relationship between principal AI and teachers OCB, acting as a part of partial mediator. And then mediation analysis. The mediation effect of teachers OT was confirmed through bootstrapping, supporting its role in partially mediating the relationship between principals AI and teachers OCB. And the last one is the practical and theoretical implication. The study contributes the understanding how principals influences teachers OT and subsequently teachers OCB. Aligning the COR theory, practical implications such as developing AI among teachers to enhance school culture, trust, and teachers' engagement, thereby improving organizational outcome. Okay, this is for the conclusion. This study contributes both theoretically and practically to understand the dynamic of educational leadership, and emphasizing the role of principal and intelligence in influencing teachers' organizational behavior. Through the mediating pathway of the teacher organization trust. The finding underscore the higher perceived AI in principle positively impact both OT and OCB among teachers. This aligns with the previous research highlighting the beneficial effect of AI of organizational outcome and trust building. Moreover, the study supports the notion that teachers with higher OT demonstrate increased OCB, reinforcing the importance of trust in fostering proactive behavior within educational setting. Theoretical impact extend to the lens of the conservation of resources theory, in elucidating how principal AI serve as a source investment that enhance organizational dynamic and teachers' well-being. Practical implication suggests that the educational institution should prioritize AI development in principles to foster a supportive and effective school environment conducive to teachers' growth and student achievement. Okay, there are 5 recommendation and gaps founding from the article. Okay, number 1 is generalizability. The study focused exclusively on teachers from the Taiwan, raising question about the generalizability of finding to others' cultural and educational context. Future research should replicate the study across diverse international settings to validate its applicability. Number 2, perception bias. Data on the principal AI were based on the teacher's perception. potentially introducing common method variants. To mitigate this, future studies could employ multi-rater assessment involving supervising administrators and other school staff to provide a more comprehensive view. Longitudinal data, collating data at multiple time points could enhance methodological rigor. For instance, measuring basic principal EI and OT at one time and teachers OCB at another would offer accurate temporal sequence and reduce bias. Exploration of the comprehension impact. Future research should explore broader impact of principal AI on school performance and development from both individual and organizational perspective. This could include examining the roles of AI in mitigating loss spiral with the educational environment. And the last one, integration with the job demand resources model, investigating how various demand within school influence teachers pathway within the gain spiral. Using the framework like the job demand resources model would provide deeper insight into the dynamic of resource gain and loss among educators. Okay, this is for me the review and article about this topic. Thank you.